pests. Contact Home Paramount Pest Control today for a free inspection. Call 888-888-HOME or visit homeparamount.com.
Santa, I want a Chevy for Christmas.
This holiday season, people have a lot to say about the Chevy Red Tag sales event.
Dream truck right there.
Great, man.
Wow.
Look at this.
Please, Santa.
Please, 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 please. Santa, I want to go fast.
That sounds like Christmas.
Find your tag and get a total value over $2,600 on this Chevy Cruze. Or current qualified competitive lessees can get this Chevy Cruze for around $169 a month. Find new roads at your local Chevy dealer.
Mommy, your wish came true.
If you're going to wish, wish big at the Lexus December to Remember sales event. Lease the 2017 ES350 for $349 a month for 36 months, and we'll make your first month's payment. See your Lexus dealer.
Oh, a bitter blast of cold air is sweeping the region, has us in weather alert mode going into the weekend. Doug and Amelia tracking it all. Doug, let's start with you. It's cold now. It's going to get even messier soon, isn't it?
It really is. You know, the high temperature today, 27 degrees. That's the coldest afternoon we've seen in December since 2010. An extremely cold air mass moving in, and that sets the stage for what we're going to see overnight tonight into early tomorrow. If you're heading out tonight, no problems. Dress for the cold, but we're not going to see any snow or ice or sleet or freezing rain tonight. So if you're heading out, no problem, as long as you're home by 2 or 3 in the morning. All right, now, temperatures, 27 degrees, the current number, winds out of the south 9 miles per hour, so still dealing with a wind chill of around 19. It's still very cold. 25 in Frederick, 27 Warrenton, 25 in Dulles, so anything that falls will be frozen. But we've got warmer air aloft, so as it moves through, it'll melt and change to rain, and then when it hits the ground, it turns back into ice. So we're talking freezing rain around the area. Nothing right now. Storm Team 4 radar looking okay. We've tracked some snow back to our west here every once in a while, but that's just on the radar, not hitting the ground. The atmosphere just too dry. The storm system itself, let's see if we can move farther down to the south and west here. Starting to see it taking shape. You can see a little bit of returns here, radar returns, but not much going on. But it will start to move into our area, and it will start to intensify in coverage, as well as we move on through the night. And by tomorrow morning, we're talking freezing rain. Winter weather advisory in effect in the purple here. Freezing rain advisory down to the south. What's the difference? Well, winter weather could be snow, sleet, or freezing rain. For this storm, we think mostly freezing rain. Down to the south, all freezing rain, and it doesn't take a lot to get to a warning, or rather a freezing rain advisory. So that's what we're going to be dealing with here. Freezing rain, slick roads, and yes, it will all be changing terrain. And some of us might not see much at all. Now, overnight tonight, no big deal. Maybe a little bit of light snow around 11, 12 o'clock, but then here's the deal around 6 a.m. Notice the freezing rain all across the area. Now, much less down to the south, and not too worried about these areas. But if you live in Frederick, Leesburg, and D.C., this is the area that we're most concerned about, and it could linger right on through about 9 o'clock. The rest of the area changes over to rain, but to the north, the roads are going to continue to be a problem. Amelia Draper outside right now. And Amelia, it's so cold out there right now. The ground is already frozen, so anything that falls is definitely going to freeze on those roadways.
Yeah, Doug, a lot of people asking us on Twitter and Facebook, what should I be doing tomorrow morning? Probably the best idea just to stay home because roads are going to be icy. And as you saw there on Future Weather, especially here in the metro area and for areas to the north. So take a look at the road conditions in neighborhoods and secondary roads. Icy there. I think the main roads have been treated enough where they'll probably just be wet. So if you have to be out, just make sure you reduce your speed. And south of Washington, only some spotty freezing rain. Some areas could stay completely dry. So take a look at the timeline. 7 a.m. we're looking at icy conditions. By 11 a.m. we're just looking at wet roads and then more rain in the forecast on Sunday. Kind of a rainy day on Sunday, Doug.
Yeah, with temperatures in the 60s, by the way. All right, Amelia, thanks. Have a great weekend. She'll be here all weekend long tracking it for you. Now, take a look at the biggest impact tomorrow. Down to the south, not really worried about that. In the district, yeah, a little bit worried here, possibly icy, but it's these areas to the north, around Frederick, around Leesburg, in through Montgomery County. These are the areas of concern. If you live in these regions, this is where you need to watch out. And maybe don't drive until after 9 or 10 o'clock as the temperatures start to rise, because they will rise. We're up into the 40s by afternoon on Saturday. Weather alert day tomorrow. 63 degrees on your Sunday. Back down to 35 on Monday. And right now, next week, really not looking too bad at all. Some pretty nice weather, as a matter of fact, as we head towards Christmas. Christmas just over a week away.
All right. Thank you, Doug. Ooh, it's coming fast. Still ahead, how the community is coming together.